Okay, well, good evening, everybody. So I'm already in the shed, and I've had my temporary setup going on. So this is stuff I brought in from the house, and you know, not too big a deal. Just like two big monitors, and I have another computer over there and a computer down there, and but everything's just sort of a mishmash. And I've been wanting to do a desk across the whole length of the back, just about, and then something coming down this way. And the cost of lumber right now is out of control, whether it's plywood or just straight up planks or something. It's all crazy. So I'm going cheap and easy. And so I have these door slabs. Picked these up from the Home Depot, and they are cheap and easy, just like I like. These are hollow core, so they're a bit lighter, easy for one person to handle. They are solid enough for what I'm going to be doing, and this is not like a big old heavy-duty workbench needed. This is just a desktop. So I have a 30-inch wide door here by 80 inches tall, and then a 24-inch that will go. So the 30 by 80 will go across here. That is my main work surface, so there'll be 30 this way, and then will be 80 this way and 24 from the wall this way. So I also picked up these heavy-duty shelf brackets. This is I think a 10 by 16. So those will be for the 24-inch shelf, and then these are 16 by 18, and that will be for the 30-inch desk. Now, because these are a bit thicker at about 1.25 inches, I want the top of the desk to be right around 30-31. So I'm going to bring, I'll strike a level line across the walls at about 29.25-ish, and then my top will be 31.25, 31.5, somewhere in there, which will be good because that'll give me plenty of room to get the chair underneath the desk and still be at a comfortable height where don't feel like I'm reaching up too high. So anyway, I'll give you some progress. And done. So that wasn't horrible. Super big, super cheap. So we've got, again, excuse my cable management, I'm still cleaning up. 30 by 80 across the back. And I've got a little gap over here, nothing to worry about. And then this is a 24 by 80 moving across this way. And that's the old desk. And the way these are fixed are with these heavy-duty brackets. You know, each one of these say they rate 1,200 pounds, something like that. I've got that ledger board there in the back just to sort of make sure that the two seams align there at the back. And then I use those mending plates to tighten everything up. And then these are the 18-inch brackets. God, excuse that rat's nest. But these are the 18 by 16 holding up the 30-inch top. So it is good and sturdy. So again, just to summarize, these are primed hollow core doors from Home Depot. Each one was about 55 bucks. And then between that and the brackets, which were about 10 to 13 a piece. For the big ones, I think they were 13 a piece. I used 3. And for the 24-inch, I only used 2 because I have that brace and the mending plates in the back right next to that other one. So I didn't really feel like I needed one over here. So that one will get returned. So probably got 150 bucks maybe for this whole thing, which given the size is pretty good. So it's if I want to paint it, they're already primed. I could throw just a clear coat on it if I wanted. If I wanted to keep it white. So far it wipes down real easy. Again, it's only been one night. Sure, they'll get dirty from just handprints and stuff like that, and eventually I'll want to paint them. But yeah, but for now, it'll do. This was I went way over budget on the shed conversion, so having a good inexpensive alternative to a big workspace was definitely needed. So there we go.